Let's begin. We start by laying out our main exterior leather. Using a precision knife and a paper pattern, I carefully trace and cut out the outer shell. Next, we prepare the strap closure. I apply a thin strip of double-sided tape, fold the edge and use a slick mechanical hand clicker press. Since we will be layering multiple pieces of leather, we need to reduce the thickness to avoid a bulky wallet. I use an edge skiving tool to carefully shave and thin down the borders of each card slot piece. Once skived, I apply a thin layer of leather adhesive to the edges, let it get tacky, and carefully align the pocket layers. To secure the tops of the pockets, I run them through a sewing machine for a perfectly straight stitch. I then use a lighter to mount and lock the loose thread ends so they never unravel. With the interior components ready, it is time for the final assembly. I glue the inner card panel directly onto the flesh side of our main brown leather piece. To ensure the edges are perfectly flush before we sew them together, I use a specialized edge trimming tool to slice away any minor overhang. Next, I heat up a custom brass stamp. Press it into Minimalist, an highly durable leather bifold wallet, completely built from scratch.